So I want to make a video on number 6, structural functionalism. Structural functionalism is a sociology perspective that views society as a system of multi-interconnected parts. Each part, no matter how small, has a function that helps society survive and remain stable. The theory emphasizes social solidarity and equilibrium. Basically, think of society like a car. Each part, engine, wheels, brakes, must be present and working properly for the car to run. Structural functionalism argues that society works the same way. But where did this idea came from? Structural functionalism was founded by Émile Durkheim, a French sociologist and one of the key architects of modern social science. Durkheim argued that society exists as a reality separate from individuals. It is shaped by what he called social facts, the norms, values, laws, and institutions that guide and constrain human behavior. For Durkheim, social cohesion is maintained through solidarity, and sudden social change could disrupt society's balance. However, as sociology evolved, Durkheim's ideas were challenged and expanded. One major contributor was Robert K. Merton, an American sociologist who built upon Talcott Parsons' development of Durkheim's framework. Merton introduced the idea of manifest and latent function. Unlike Durkheim, Merton believed that social change is not necessarily a threat but a natural part of a society's evolution. He argued that social institutions can have multiple effects, both intended and unintended. Manifest functions are the intended and recognized outcomes of a social structure, while latent functions are the unintended and often unrecognized outcomes of a social structure. For example, take the school system. Its manifest function is to provide education, knowledge, and discipline, but its latent function may include socialization, forming friendships, or even negative outcomes such as social exclusion or academic pressure. In the end, structural functionalism helps us understand how social institutions work together, how stability is maintained, and how change can emerge from within the system itself. And it is just one of the many perspectives built upon our complex society, showing that sociology, just like society, continues to evolve even to this day. Thanks so much.